Hi friends, so in the earlier section we have learned about file extension, different type of file extension and how it is different from your Windows OS. Okay, so in this lecture we will learn about powerful stuff in Linux, which is wildcards, and yeah, and the wildcard also support a regular expression in Linux, which makes Linux very powerful. So let's head over to our Linux VM and let's discuss it. So I am on my Ubuntu VM. For demo purpose, I have created some text ODS sheet and some text file, and also I have put these text file inside my documents and downloads. Okay, so let me open my terminal and let's head over. Now I will decrease the font a bit. Okay, so in the earlier section, we have seen that if you want to list out the content, you can use ls. Then you want to list the contents of documents, I will type tab documents. Then I also want to type for, so suppose if you want to type the contents for documents, then how you can. So I will type ls documents, so it will say tell you, right? If you want to type so all the contents for documents, then downloads, I will hit tab, and then also uh, desktop, I will hit tab. If I will hit enter, so it will tell you that on desktop it is this, and on the document it is this, and on downloads it is this, right? Now what if we want to see the documents and we don't want to type this too much, right? So what we can do, so there are many various wildcard characters supported in the Linux. So the star means the on the 8 numeric key. So the, if you are using a US keyboard, it will be on 8 keyboard, 8 numeric. So the star matches any number of pattern, whether it can be 1, 2, 3, or it will be A, B, C. It will be any kind of character. A, just one. It might need an A, 2, 1, 2, 3, anything. So star matches any number of patterns. Okay. Now the question mark contains only one number of pattern. Either you can type 1, 2, 3, or A, B, C, whatever. Okay. The next one is this braces. So in the braces, you put a range of series. Okay. So I can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will pick any one of these. Okay. You can either put this or you can either put this 1 to 5. Okay. And last we have curly braces. So in this you put a regular expression and you can put any range. Okay. So let's understand with the help of example. So if I will type ls star, so what it will do, it will list all the contents of a file. Okay. Now if I will hit enter, so you can see on the desktop it is shown all these things. On the documents, this downloads, in the music there is nothing, picture nothing, and there is nothing. Okay. Now I will clear it. If I will type ls, then capital D, then star, then it should show all the contents from desktop, downloads, and documents. Okay. So if I will hit enter, then there you go. As we know, Linux is case sensitive, so if I will type lsd and then star, it will not find anything. Okay. Now you can see that it is d, and then after this star took any number of patterns, so desktop, then documents, and then downloads, right? So we can also type ls, then do, and then star. So what it will say, it will not filter out the desktop, it will just filter out documents and downloads, because it will take download do and document do, and then it will print out. Okay. So if I will hit enter, so you can see there you go. Okay. Similarly, now we have understood the star character, so it means any number of characters. Similarly, if I will type ls, Then let me first navigate to my desktop, cd desktop. Now if similarly I can type ls then star dot txt. What it will do, it will match any number of pattern or character with the suffix as dot txt. Okay, if I will hit enter, it will show me all the stuff. Okay, similarly if I will type star dot ods, it will tell my both the sheets. Okay, and similarly if I will type ls. Okay, so yes, now let's understand the question mark. So I will clear the terminal. So here if I will type ls question mark dot txt, so it will not give any content. Why? Because we don't have anything, any file like 1.txt or a.txt, right? So if I will type ls stuffs question mark dot txt, will it allow? Yes, it will, because we have six things related to this: stuff1.txt, step2.txt, stuff3.txt, stuff a, stuff b, stuff c. Okay, but we have these two files also, stuffs 123, stuff 146. So how we can filter out? So instead of one question mark we can filter out two two more question mark. So what it will do, it will take three number of pattern. Okay, if I will hit enter, you can see it matches the three number of character and it give an output of these three. Okay, similarly what I can do, I can type ls stuffs one then question mark, because one is same, dot txt. So it is given. If I will type ls one star, then what it will do, will it include this one also? It will take these two, but will it take this one also? Let's see. Yes, because here there is blank and the star contains a blank character also. You might have learned in your engineering that star starts with a blank, then braces, then anything else. So it will take your blank option also. Okay, hope you have understand star and brace question mark and double question mark and triple question mark. Okay, now let's understand the braces. Now let's move ahead with braces. If I will type ls stuffs 123 dot txt, okay, what it will do, it will list out all the files, whether it is stuff1 dot txt, whether it is stuff2, stuff3. So it will take any one character. Okay, now if I will hit enter, so you can see it is showing. I can also put the ranges instead of this. So suppose if you have greater number, then you can type 10 to 9 and then dot txt. So you can put the ranges also. Okay, now what if you have multiple, you don't have this one, you have characters also. So either you can do is, I can press upper arrow key and I can type abc as it is case sensitive. So I will type abc, or I can type a to anything. I will type f. So it will not tell you, because what it will do, it will take here one character and then it will add this one. Okay, and if I will type 0 to abc, then it will print all the thing, because first it is taking whether it is anything from 0 to 9 and then it will take abc, anything from abc. Similarly I can do this by giving the range a to c and it will work. But if you give the like this, so it will take two patterns. First character should be from this and second character from should be this. Okay, so I'm hoping you have understood the regular expression between under these braces. So yeah, that was for this lecture, and in the next lecture we will learn about how you can create files and folders, and yeah, we'll practice those too also. So till then, take care and bye.